This is a schematic drawing, likely from Autodesk Eagle or KiCad. It defines the logic of a circuit board. You can view it with the free version of Eagle. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's trace the circuit. Our ultimate goal is to simplify the process by leveraging the advanced capabilities of one SCH file inspection software that works reliably across numerous file types. Your system's metadata reads the SCH file as belonging to the developer script file standard. The file is identifiable by its compliance with EAGLE Schematic Drawing. An SCH file is a schematic design file used by electronic design automation, EDA software, specifically Eagle and P-CAD. It contains a graphical representation of an electronic circuit, including components, connections, and annotations. SCH files are essential for designing and documenting electronic circuits, facilitating the creation of printed circuit boards, PCBs. SCH files store information about the components used in a circuit, their interconnections, and any associated properties. The format includes data about component symbols, pin assignments, netlists, and design rules. These files are typically created and edited using specialized EDA software, which provides tools for schematic capture, simulation, and PCB layout. The application responsible for generating the SCH file is typically Autodesk Eagle by Autodesk, Inc. This file type demands a dedicated niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows identifies the script as text, but its functionality depends on a matching runtime. Your most effective first step: right-click the SCH file and select Open With. If Autodesk Eagle is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Keep testing until the file becomes accessible. If your SCH file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Because the SCH format is proprietary, simple misconfigurations are common. We need to verify these crucial technical details using our checklist. First, identify the source. Try opening the file using common CAD programs like Autodesk Eagle, JITA, or KiCad, or check with the original vendor. Next, check version. Ensure the correct software is installed and is the correct version, as newer versions, like Eagle 6 XML, may be incompatible with older viewers. Finally, use Free Viewer. Most commercial schematic products offer a free reader, viewer, or a light version that allows viewing the schematics without modification. If basic programs can't resolve the issue, the SCH file requires a tool with strong file recognition technology. This method is worth a try for difficult SCH files. Forget manual fixes. FileMagick is the universal solution I recommend for the SCH format. Get your copy at filemagick.com. Check out the link in the description for FileMagick. Head down to the comments if you need anything else, and remember to subscribe to keep these fixes coming.